Digital clamp meters are essential for electricians, technicians, and ambitious DIYers because they let you measure AC/DC current without breaking the circuit, while still providing voltage, resistance, capacitance, and other common diagnostics. The best models balance accuracy, safety, ease of use, and value, especially when you're deciding between budget-friendly options and premium features like higher amp ranges. Product number 1. Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter 2000 counts amp voltage tester auto ranging with AC/DC voltage. The Astro AI CM2K0R is a budget-friendly digital clamp meter that covers essential measurements: AC/DC voltage, AC current, resistance, capacitance, continuity, and live wire testing with non-contact voltage or NCV indication and a backlit display. It explicitly notes that DC current testing is not supported, which is a crucial limitation for some tasks. The device ships with 2 AAA batteries, includes audible and visual alarms for NCV, and adheres to Environmental Pollution Degree 2 and Overvoltage Category 3 600V safety standards. At $24.99, it represents a compelling entry point for basic electrical work and homeowner diagnostics, especially for those who primarily need voltage checks and lightweight current assessment. Performance-wise, this meter provides a broad feature set for the price, with auto ranging, a data hold function, max and min capture, and an auto shutoff to conserve batteries. The green and red NCV indicators paired with audible beeps help in quick screening without direct contact. The large LCD with backlight enhances usability in dim spaces, while the included flashlight is a practical touch for tight panels. However, the absence of DC current measurement and potential confusion around clamping for current versus voltage demands careful operation. Users must clamp around a single conductor and avoid using the clamp for voltage testing. Product number 2. Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter 2000 counts amp voltage tester auto ranging with AC/DC voltage. This blue variant of the Astro AI CM2K0R shares the same feature set as the black version, including 2000 counts, auto ranging, NCV, and the standard assortment of measurements. It emphasizes a similar safety profile and user guidance, including a reminder about proper current measurement technique. The blue color simply offers visual differentiation, but the feature set remains targeted at budget-conscious users who want a compact, all-in-one tool without feral-grade heft. In real-world use, the blue model performs similarly to its black sibling. It's adequate for basic troubleshooting, quick voltage checks, and small appliance diagnoses. The NCV is useful for initial screening, and the device's light and audible cues support fast field checks. Its limitations mirror the others in this tier: no DC current measurement, potential user confusion around using the clamp for current versus voltage, and a general emphasis on convenience over rugged professional-grade durability. Product number 3. Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter 4000 counts auto ranging amp tester measuring AC/DC voltage. This 4000 count Astro AI model expands the measurement suite to include frequency and duty cycle, offering higher resolution and broader diagnostic capability than the 2000 count variants. It retains auto ranging, NCV, and a dual display of AC/DC voltage and current with the same safety standards, Cat 3 600V. The larger jaw opening and improved display make it a more capable option for more demanding electrical tasks, especially where frequency readings matter, i.e. electronics, HVAC controls, and some industrial equipment. Performance-wise, the 4000 count meter delivers improved accuracy and a more informative readout under load, thanks to the higher resolution display and the ability to read frequency and duty cycle. The zero function reduces magnetic field-induced error, which is valuable for more precise measurements in environments with ambient interference. The broader feature set makes it a better general-purpose tool for hobbyists stepping up to more serious DIY or light professional work. Product number 4. Klein Tools CL120 Digital Clamp Meter. The Klein Tools CL120 represents a notable step up in build quality, safety certifications, and feature integration. It provides auto-ranging measurements for AC current up to 400 amps, AC-DC voltage, resistance, and continuity, plus a non-contact voltage tester integrated into the clamp jaw. The kit includes a carrying case, test leads with Cat 3, Cat 4 safety caps, and batteries, reflecting Klein's professional-grade approach. At $61.89, it sits at the higher end of the budget to mid-range spectrum, but targets electricians and serious DIYers who value robust construction, reliable performance, and a more complete package. In use, the CL120's auto-ranging behaves predictably, and the integrated NCVT detection is convenient for quick checks without exposing the conductor. The backlit display facilitates readability in dim work areas, and the included magnetic hanger and test lead holder contribute to practical field ergonomics. The device's safety-conscious design, CAT ratings, and the overall Klein brand reliability make it a compelling choice for professionals who need a dependable tool that can tolerate frequent use and travel to job sites. The main trade-off is the price premium and slightly lower maximum current rating compared to some 600A capable meters. Product number 5. FNIRSI DMC100 Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter 9,999 counts TRMS. The FNIRSI DMC100 is a feature-rich clamp meter with an impressive 9,999 count TRMS measurement capability and a sizable 600A clamp. It adds data analysis and storage with real-time curves, multiple data sets, and a rechargeable 1500 mAh battery with Type-C charging. This model also includes NCV, temperature readings, and a TFT color display with theme options. It targets professionals or serious hobbyists who want data logging, trend analysis, and a more sophisticated UI in a handheld tool. Performance-wise, the DMC100 delivers robust capabilities like data curve storage, 8 real-time datasets, 30 historical records, and a dual-themed color display for readability. The clamp jaw width, 25 mm, supports a wider range of conductors, and the device includes a flashlight for low-light visibility. The caveats include that voltage measurements still require test leads, like most clamp meters, and the device's feature-rich interface can have a steeper learning curve for first-time users. The Type-C charging and long battery life are strong advantages for fieldwork.